One of my clients was going down to the Florida Keys with his family for some rest and relaxation. He was expecting some guests during the week, so he wanted his home to look really sharp. Hey guys, starting any business is not an easy process. I know that some of you guys think that you have to start with all the equipment from day one. Believe me when I tell you this, you don't. Look, this is me in September 2002 with a dream and a $300 budget in which I could only afford a weeder, dustpan and a broom to complete a $60 job. Yes, you've heard right, a $60 job. Now this is me living the reality of the dream, and you can live your dreams too. All you have to do is start your journey. Me personally, all I would like from you guys is if you could all subscribe to my channel and let us take this journey together as a family. Thanks in advance for the subscribe. And on that note, let's get into the video.